as I've shown before in one of my other videos, in order to change that crank sensor on a A3 Jetta or Golf 2-liter, that's the Mark III generation, for those who don't know what the A stands for. In order to change that crank sensor, because of how long it is, I remove this front motor mount. I support the engine, I take the starter bolts out, and then I move that bracket, because the mounting bolt for that sensor is in behind this bracket, so you can't get to it. Apparently somebody can do this. Look at how much little room there is. Even if you get the bolt out, you can't lift the crank sensor far enough because the bracket's in the way. But apparently I've been doing it wrong. Somebody else can do it with everything in place. So whoever said that, or whoever said it's possible, $100 wager, if you can post a recent video of you changing that sensor with the motor mount bracket, everything in place, I'll send you $100. No modifications, nothing. It needs to be a stock application, 5mm bolt in behind that mounts it, and then you record a video showing step by step how you do it. Supposedly it's faster than the way I do it. So anyways, $100 on the line. I'm looking forward to seeing your video.